Welcome to this technical guide on the Rowenta Xplorer Serie 20. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Rowenta Xplorer Serie 20 is making an odd noise while using the brush, this often indicates an issue with the brush motor. This could be due to wear and tear, debris caught in the motor, or even a loose connection. If left unfixed, it may lead to further damage and a more costly repair. Today, we'll walk you through how to resolve this issue and get your device back to its optimal performance. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a replacement brush motor if needed. To start, ensure your device is unplugged. Carefully use a screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel of your Rowenta Xplorer Serie 20. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. Once the panel is off, locate the brush motor. It's usually situated near the brush assembly. Check for any visible damage or debris that may be causing the noise. If you see any blockages, gently remove them using your tweezers. If the motor appears damaged, you will need to extract it for replacement. To do this, disconnect any cables carefully to avoid damaging them, and unscrew the motor from its housing. Remember to take note of the type of screws used and the torque applied, as this will help during reassembly. When replacing the motor, make sure to connect the cable securely and check for any nearby components that could be affected during the process. Be cautious not to apply too much force when reassembling, as this could damage the delicate parts. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the motor, reattach the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Now, plug in your Rowenta Xplorer Serie 20 and power it on to check if the noise has stopped. If the problem persists, further inspection may be necessary. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your brush and the area around the motor to eliminate any debris. Additionally, ensure that you're using your device on suitable surfaces to avoid unnecessary strain on the motor. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.